Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you can be up to date with all of our latest videos. So today we have a look at the SportsBot SS 302, the best gaming combo package around. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Got the box open, nice little presentation. The first thing you see is this little quick starter guide, user manual. Pretty good, nice glossy feel to it, wonderful illustrations, the colors popped out, so I love that, man. I love that they didn't take the cheap way, went ahead and really explain their product and give you a good presentation and the process. So make sure you have it, look at that. Alright, so the first thing we have in the box is the keyboard. Go ahead and get that out here. Now I must say, man, I absolutely love this keyboard. Now it is plastic, but guys, it is that durable plastic, nice solid hard plastic. I mean, I love that gunmetal brush feel that they have to. You see that paint job? Absolutely wonderful. And the buttons, man, the buttons feel good, man. Very clickety, very tactile, nice feel in your hands, very big. I love it, man. I love it. This thing is solid. Now this keyboard, you can change the lights to 3 different colors. That it is backlit, and they also have a feature for breathable lights. You also have your macro recordings. You can group up to 18 macro recordings, 26 anti-ghosting keys, all of your multimedia keys, everything you need. It is a USB plug, and it does have a Windows lock key. All right, I love the card. I just have a fascination with the braided wires, man. So this USB cable is braided. I love it. Let you know that it's gonna last long. No worries about getting it pinched between 2 computers or in between your desks. Also, they have this little mouse pad right here. I'm feeling it. It's solid. Love the design. Got the little branding going on. Nice solid mouse pad. That's a great added extra that they're doing now. I dig it. All right, what's up next? Let's go ahead and grab this box. Inside of here, you're going to find the mouse. Now the mouse is great, man. This is a wonderful ergonomic design, high precise optical technology, and again it is USB with that braided cable, that braided card. I mean, look at this thing, man. You can adjust the colors, the scroll wheel. I mean, look at the ergonomics on there. You can just put your hand in there and put your hand on there and just enjoy the tactile feelings of the controls. I mean, just click, 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 click. I mean, that's what we have a mouse for anyway. Just click, 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 click. I love it, guys. Like I said, you can also adjust the colors with the mouse, and it feels good in your hand. Very pleasant to the touch. And now for the granddaddy, the headset. Now I must admit, man, you're getting a lot for what you're paying for this. You're getting the keyboard, a mouse, and a headset. And granted, now it's not the best premium material around, but they done a really great job with this plastic. They didn't give it a little cheap flimsy plastic. They really give you some durable plastic. Here's the headset right here, and this right here will light up. That color light up blue whenever you plug it in. It feels pretty good. There's some nice little leather padding at the top. Now this is plastic. It's made to mimic iron, but it's very flexible. It feels good in your hand. I love the little ear cups, nice and soft. You have that breathable material in the inside to help ventilate for the heat. So yeah, can't beat that right there. Your little microphone, and you also have your plug where you can plug in for your headphones and plug in for your mic, for your computer, and your controller right there. USB for the colors, and that's the plugs I was telling you guys. One for the mic, one for the headset. Man, they thought of everything. They really thought of everything. This is perfect for a first-time gamer. So this is everything we have in the box, guys. Now I want to go ahead and just show you guys how it looks when it's set up. So let's go ahead and get to the lab. Alright guys, this is my little studio space, and you can see the breathable lights, and you can see how big the keyboard is. Just give you a feel of how it look on the desk. I mean, it's great. Look at that. Everything fits on my desk. My desk is kind of crowded, guys, but look how I can change the lights on there. Look at that. Look at that mouse. I like to synchronize the lights with the mouse with the keyboard. And if you want to change the functions of the keyboard lighting, you can hit the function and adjust it by pressing the minus up or with the keypad, or you can hit the settings and change the colors right there. So you can change the brightness, you can turn it from breathing to solid, you can change the colors. you can do a lot, and not to mention again the recordings, the micro groupings that you can do. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely excellent, man. I love it. I love the setup. Big bang for your bucks, guys. So go ahead and check it out. Don't forget, guys, the bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.